Good afternoon. My name is Chris Willingham. I'm here at Cisco Live. I wanted to talk to you about vSphere with operations management. So in addition to normal vSphere, we have vCenter operations management that ties into that. And so vCOps will give us the ability to take the physical and the virtual infrastructure information and distill it into three basic badges. First, we have health, which tells us about the health of the environment. And it color codes this so we can identify issues with the physical and the virtual environment. Risk, which lets us know when are we going to run out of space, be that CPU, be that storage, network I/O, or memory. And then efficiency lets us determine, which VMs are oversized, which VMs are undersized, and allows us to get the most out of the hardware that we have. So let's take a look at one of the examples that we can run with this. So if I look at the environmental view, I can show that we have a hierarchical layout of how the things are interdependent. And I want to choose a specific VM that I know I'm having issue with. And specifically, we're going to choose this virtual machine here. And we're going to see that it's running on this host, this cluster, and so on up the tree. But it's in yellow status, and I want to know why. So let's go ahead and dig into that just a little bit further. And I can see that I've got some issues here, and I want to take a look at and see why. So I can see the related objects, and I can see some of the details here, and I can see that disk I/O is its most constrained resource on here. It's using 74% of the disk I/O that we've allotted to it. And I want to see why. What has happened in this environment? And so I can drill down into the events, and I can see that we were in a good state up until just a few hours ago. And I can identify from that what happened. And I can go down into my change limit, and I can see that I put an artificial limit onto the CPU. And now I'm using the maximum of that limit. And so this gives a lot of granularity into the virtual environment and the physical environment to determine what's going on with the health and the ability to generate some forecasts for future growth. So as a call to action, if you'd like to play with this yourself, we have our hands-on lab portal. And then also if you'd like to see what's going on in your own environment, go to VMware.com and download a trial of vCenter Operations Management today.